GetQuin app pricing explained what you get for your money. GetQuin is a Canadian investment app aimed at simplifying portfolio management and retirement planning. Many assume these apps carry high costs, but GetQuin keeps fees low and transparent. The platform charges a 0.5% annual management fee on assets under management, covering portfolio creation, rebalancing, and personalized advice. It's used within portfolios carry typical expense ratios around 0.15% per year. There are no setup, deposit or withdrawal fees, making costs predictable. For instance, a zero portfolio would cost around annually in total fees. GetQuin provides automated rebalancing, tax-efficient strategies, and detailed performance reporting. Users can set goals such as retirement or education savings, and the app automatically adjusts portfolios to stay aligned with targets. This hands-off approach is ideal for investors seeking convenience and cost efficiency. The surprising truth is that for a modest annual fee, users gain access to professionally managed portfolios and automated advice that historically required a financial advisor. Many underestimate how such apps democratize high-quality investing. In conclusion, GetQuin app pricing is straightforward, affordable, and designed for Canadians seeking smart, low-cost investment solutions. Understanding management and fund fees helps investors plan effectively and maximize the value of their investments.